In this vlog, we will see how to make a navigation draw in a Flutter. So generally, we have seen this kind of menu in Android and iOS previously. So here in Flutter, how we deal with it. So let us go through the coding. So here we are considering three screens. So one is home screen and the other is profile screen and setting screen. So if you go through the coding, we are making some default code here. So there is nothing much to explain in the particular module here. For example, consider settings. We have taken a text field name settings. So the same we consider in home and profile. And let us see what we are doing with these screens. So first of all, in the main, we are specifying the title of our project and the theme. Here we are specifying the theme data in which we are providing the color, and you can change the color accordingly. It's not that you go with the default color. You may choose any other color out of the all available colors. So for a change, let us go through with deep orange. And here in home we have declared my home page. So my home page is a class extending stateful widget inside which we have specified our fragments. So the fragments we have seen in the initial, like home, profile and settings, right? These are the fragments we are specifying now, and we are providing the icons for them too, and we are providing the name which is to be available on the screen. So this home is the name of the home fragment on the screen. So later on we are generating a list, so based on the draw fragments size. So we are having three fragments, so the length of the draw fragments list is 3. So the loop is rotated 3 times to make the fragments visible on our screen. And here we are passing the icon, title and the selected fragment onto the list, and we are also providing on tap. So what is on tap? In Android you have dealt with on click, so it's a similar way we have used in this particular scenario. In this particular list view, for example, whenever there are a list of elements, so when you click on a particular element, so we consider that phenomena as on tap. So whenever you click on that particular element, you move to the on select fragment, and here we are passing that particular position and we are moving to that particular screen. So every element in the list view is having every its own particular fragment. Okay, so inside the fragment, it's a base default things we have specified, just a text we have specified. So I think you are clear till now, and let us see the functioning in real time. So here, as we have discussed, this is a navigation draw, and here we are providing three options. And also, if you can see here, we have given the name and email address also. Also you will be having some images and different things based on your requirements. Here you can specify those things, and here the icons, and the selected one is highlighted with blue color. So now we have changed the theme color to orange, right? So let us try to run the code and see the option. Within a span of seconds everything got changed. Okay, so here this is the home screen, and this is the profile screen, and this is the setting screen. So it's that easy to make a navigation draw in Flutter. So one more thing we need to discuss here, the width of the navigation draw. Here I am specified it as 0.60. So the width I am specified here. So let us try to alter the width and see. Let us make it 9.0, 0.90, and here you can see the width increase. So I mean you can specify your own requirements here, you can make your own modifications. And here we have considered only two things, name and email, and you can provide your own things, and also you can add your own fragments. So this is a basic template kind of thing I'm providing to you. And so by making use of it, you can make your own code and you can make your own application possible. And if you are having any queries in doing so, do let us know in the comment section below. And not only this, if you follow my Flutter series, you will get to know the basics of Flutter and how the usage of every component you can know easily. So if you have missed those things, I am providing the tutorial links in the description section below. Do watch them, and if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel to get the most interesting content on our channel.